In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive email. This seemingly daunting task can actually be quite simple, and I'm here to walk you through each step of the process. Whether you're updating your old email to a new one or simply switching to a more professional email address, this guide has got you covered. First things first, let's start by heading over to the Microsoft homepage. It's essential to begin here because OneDrive is a part of Microsoft's suite of online services, and any changes to your account details need to be made through your Microsoft account. Once you're on the Microsoft page, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on this to proceed. Now it's time to log into your Microsoft account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address currently associated with your OneDrive and Microsoft account. After inputting your email, click Next to move on to the next step. Following this, you will be asked to enter your password. It's crucial to have your password ready. If you've forgotten it, there will be an option to reset it. After entering your password correctly, click on Next again to access your Microsoft account. Once you've successfully logged in, you might see a prompt asking you to stay signed in. If you're using a personal and secure computer, clicking yes can save you time in the future, but if you're on a public or shared computer, it might be safer to skip this. After accessing your account, navigate to All Microsoft at the top of the page. This section introduces you to all the services and products offered by Microsoft. From here, we're specifically interested in OneDrive, so go ahead and click on OneDrive. You'll be directed to the OneDrive section where you can manage your files and account settings. In the OneDrive section, the next step is to sign into your OneDrive account. This should be relatively straightforward since you're already logged into your Microsoft account. Now on the OneDrive homepage, you'll want to click on Home to find more account options. Inside the Home section, there's an option for My Microsoft Account. Clicking on this will take you to a general overview of your Microsoft account, where you can manage a wide array of settings, not just limited to OneDrive, but to your overall Microsoft user experience. Next, navigate to your info at the top of the page. This page is crucial for any personal details changes, including your name, profile picture, and, most importantly for us, your email address. Once you're in the Your Info section, you'll see an option to Edit Account Info. Click on this to start the process of updating your email address. Here you'll have the opportunity to add a new email. It's an intuitive process. Simply enter the new email address you wish to associate with your OneDrive and Microsoft account. After entering your new email, there might be verification steps to ensure you own the new email address. Follow through with these steps carefully. Microsoft takes account security very seriously, and this verification step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Upon successfully verifying your new email address, congratulations, you've updated your OneDrive email. Remember, this new email address will not only be your new OneDrive email, but also the new email for your Microsoft account. This means all communications and account recovery options from Microsoft will be directed to this new email. Changing your OneDrive email might seem like a small task, but it's an important part of managing your digital identity. It ensures that you have access to your files on OneDrive and that all correspondence from Microsoft reaches you. Remember, keeping your account details updated is crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of your online presence, and that, folks, is how you change your OneDrive email. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos in the comments section below. Stay safe and see you in the next tutorial.